الله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Welcome to NECO SSCE 2025 questions and answer. We are now in the remaining part. So in the first video we cover question 1 to 20 and the second one 21 to 40. In this third video we are going to answer question 41 to 60. In question number 41, how many raka'at are in Salatul Asr? The answer is 4. Salatul Asr is the third of the 5 daily prayers in Islam and consists of 4 units of prayer. Number 42, worshipper get a full rakah if he join the congregation at ruku position. So that is the answer. In congregational prayer, a worshipper who joins late can count a full rakah if they join the prayer before the Imam rises from the ruku position. If they join after the Imam has risen from the ruku, they must make up the raka'ah at the end of the prayer. Question number 43. The punishment for fornication is 100 lashes. According to Quran, that is Surah An-Nur chapter 24, the punishment for the crime of fornication, that is unlawful sexual intercourse between unmarried individual, that is fornication, is 100 lashes. The punishment of stoning is for adultery, that is unlawful sexual intercourse between married individual, which is based on the prophetic sunnah. The next question, that is question number 44. A Muslim can marry his friend's daughter. Yes, the correct answer here is friend's daughter. A Muslim can marry his friend's daughter, but he cannot marry his foster mother, foster sister, mother sister, and sister's daughter. In question number 45, the prayer for rain is Salatul Istisqa. So option B is the correct answer. The prayer for rain is Salatul Istisqa. Salatul Eid is Eid prayer. We have Salatul Janaza, that is funeral prayer. Salatul Husuf. Salatul Husuf is lunar eclipse prayer. And we have the last one here, Salatul Qasr, that is a shortening prayer for traveler. The correct answer here is Salatul Istisqa. Then the next question that we have here, the rate of zakah on agricultural produce is 1/10. Yes, 1/10. The rate of zakah on agricultural produce varies based on irrigation. If the land is irrigated naturally by rain or spring, the rate is 1/10. If the land is irrigated artificially by tap, by well, the rate is 1/20. We'll move to the next one. That's question number 47. The composition of alchemy is authored by Jabir bin Hayyan. Jabir bin Hayyan, also known as Geber in Latin, is considered the father of chemistry. He was prolific Islamic scholar who contribute a lot to alchemy and chemistry. His works include Kitab al-Kimiyya, the book of chemistry, from which the English word alchemy was derived from. The next question, the first place to have contacted with Islam in Africa was Abyssinia. Number 49, the youngest child of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The youngest child of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is Fatima. That is since the question said the child, so the answer is Fatima. I think I made a mistake here. The answer is Fatima. Then Aliyu bin number 50. Aliyu bin Abi Talib reigned for 6 years. Ali bin Abi Talib happened to be one of the caliph, that is the fourth caliph. He ruled approximately 60 years from 656 CE until his death in 661 CE. We move to the next question, which is question number 51. Who was known as Al-Mujadid among the following? The correct answer is Ibn Fodio. That means Sheikh Usman Dan Fodio, or Usman bin Fodio, was a Nigerian scholar, reformer, and founder of the Sokoto Caliphate. He is widely considered a Mujaddid, renewer of the faith, due to his effort to purify Islam in West Africa during the 18th and 19th century. The next question, the second caliph reigned for dash years. The second caliph is Umar bin al-Khattab, reigned for approximately 10 years, from 634 after the death of Abu Bakr to 644. His reign was marked by expansion of Islamic empire. Question number 53. Bilal bin Rabah was free by Abu Bakr. Bilal bin Rabah was one of the famous companions of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and also the first muazzin in Islam. Question number 54. The name of the first caliph is Abu Bakr bin Abi Quhafa. That is the answer. So Abu Bakr as the first caliph, Umar as the second caliph, Usman the third caliph, and Ali bin Abi Talib as the fourth caliph. Question number 55. Abdullah is a dash to Sheikh Usman bin Fodio. Abdullah was son of Sheikh Usman dan Fodio. He was a scholar and writer in his own, as we have already explained earlier. So the correct answer is his son. Abdullah is a son of Usman dan Fodio. Moving to the next page. The next page, we have question number 56. The last battle before the Treaty of Hudaybiyah was Battle of Handak. The Battle of Handak, also known as the Battle of Trench, was the final major military conflict between the Muslims of Medina and the Meccan Quraysh and their allies. It took place in 5 AH, that is 5 years after Hijrah, just 1 year between the Treaty of Hudaybiyah, which was signed in 6 AH. Now, the next question: the Treaty of Hudaybiyah was broken by Quraysh. Yes, the Quraysh of Mecca broke the terms of the Treaty of Hudaybiyah when they ally with the Banu Bakr, when they ally and attacked the Banu Huza, who was ally of the Muslims. So the violation led to the Muslim conquest of Mecca. The next question, question number 58. The conquest of Mecca was in the dash year, that is the 8 years, that is the victory of Mecca. The Muslim under Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam conquered Mecca in 8 AH, 8 years after Hijrah, which is equivalent to 630 CE, following the violation of the treaty by the Quraysh, as explained earlier. The next question: Prophet Nuh alayhi salam preached for dash years, 950 years. That is the correct answer. The last question: who among the following prophets was sent to the people of Ad? As Allah mentioned in the Quran, Prophet Hud was sent by Allah to the ancient people of Ad. Okay, and the correct answer is Prophet Hud. So that is the prophet that was sent to the people of Ad, and they disobey him. We have come to the end of 2025 NECO SSC. Inshallah, we are going to continue with another year and start it again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.